Hey everyone, it's So and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is focusing on this eye look using the Give It To Me Straight palette from ColourPop. It is fairly new. I think it came out maybe January last month. But these are the colors right here. There are a good number of shimmer and mattes. Also, I used a new lip gloss I got and a bronzer. So I wanted to test these products out and see what kind of look I could create. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this smoky copper look, then just keep on watching. All right, guys, so let's dive straight into this ColourPop palette. First, I'm gonna go in with Matter of Fact right here and just apply it all over the lid as a base shade. This has a slight peach tone to it, which is nice. It's not just like a stark white, you know? Next, let's go in with the shade Truth Hurts. Right here, a warm brown shade, I would say. Let's do the Morphe M441. And let's see how pigmented these shades are. Ooh, this looks nice so far. All right, I like what I'm seeing. Let's even it out a bit, add some more to this side. But I do want to have a nice diffused crease. I feel like sometimes I stop too early and then I'm like, ugh, I wish I would have built up the crease a little more. All right, the next shade I'm gonna use is BS right here. It does have some shimmer in it, but I was gonna add it to my crease. So let me go in with the M505. It's basically just creating more depth, and it's in the same kind of color family. I am digging it. I really like how these are blending out, like I'm having no issues whatsoever. I'm gonna go with Candid right here. I'm just gonna go in with my finger. I should know this by now, so your finger is what you like. Orangey coppery vibes going on. I feel like I need to add more of BS, so I'm gonna go back in and blend the edges of Candid. I wonder if Frank will be dark enough. Let's try it out. I'm gonna go with the M433 from Morphe. Kind of just focus it on the outer corners. So I'm gonna do the wings and mascara off camera since we're not really focusing on that, and I'll be back. So I'm gonna start working on the lower lash line, and I'm gonna go back with Truth Hurts again. I feel like I always emphasize the SH sound and it like annoys me, but I don't think I can help it. And go, whee, hello. I actually caught that in midair. I'm gonna go back to BS. I'm not gonna spend too much time on it. Just add it and keep it moving. I'm gonna take actually a new color. Actually, I can't tell if it's like a dark brown or a dark plum. I'm gonna take this pencil brushy brush and I'm going to apply that very close to the lash line. I'm also gonna apply actually in my outer corner because I think it'll look good. Deepen everything up. You know what I'm saying? And your wing always, it helps me know where to apply these darker colors. So it's like a guide kind of thing. So you don't extend it too far out in this area. Ooh, I know it's a subtle difference, but I do like it. This palette is goals. I love it. I love the look I'm creating with it. And I didn't even plan it. I literally just picked up the palette and went with whatever came to my mind. All right, let's highlight the brow bone in the inner corner. And I think I am going to mix Matter of Fact and Up Front, I mean. Up Front looks really pretty. I wonder what happens if I don't mix it. I'm gonna just try using only Up Front and see if I like it better. Right, now I'm going to apply some under on the brow bone, I mean. All right, so the eyes are officially done. Now I'm gonna move on to bronzer, and I do have a new one from ColourPop, and it is called Private Party, and it looks like this. So a cool toned bronzer. This is new to my collection, by the way, not like a brand new bronzer. But it was under Kathleen Light's favorites, so that did kind of motivate me to buy it because I like a lot of her suggestions. This is pretty. See? She usually never steers me wrong. Shrink the forehead. Let's hit the jawline right quick and then move on. All right. I give that bronzer a thumbs up. So I don't have a new ColourPop highlight, but I do have this one called Lunch Money. It's their Super Shock Cheek highlight. The way that I have applied this in the past is with my finger. You kind of have to build it up to the intensity that you would like. So that's what I'm gonna do. So this is not a powder, it is a cream. In case you guys were curious about these highlighters. There's so many new highlighters out in the game that I feel like these kind of got forgotten a little bit, but they were popular at one point. Highlight poppin'. So I'm gonna try out this ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in My Jam since it kind of matches my eyes. It's a copper shade. All right, that is the gloss. It looks really nice. And now I'm just gonna set my face with Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. This is my second time using it. That completes this ColourPop makeup tutorial. So the main focus was the eyes because this is a newer palette. I know it just came out not too long ago. So hopefully you got an idea of whether, you know, you want to add this to your collection or not. I personally really like the look I created, and I'm sure you can create many more with, you know, different color schemes. So that wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed and subscribe to my channel and leave me comments saying what you would like to see. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye. Shutting it down. Good luck.